Welcome back to the crazy house, where I can't shut puppies up and keep the cats from knocking down the camera. Or the phone. It's the phone. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so you read the title. You know, today we are doing the Ipsy review for the March bag. Now I did get 6 items. One of those items was bought with my Ipsy points, so I'm going to show you what worked for me and what didn't. Yes, I did do my roots. I messed them up big time. If you are part of the online family that loves to hear about my life and watches all my updates and my other videos, just stick around after the review and we'll talk. We'll just hang out and talk and chill out. Anyways, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so this is March's bag. First of all, the bag is beautiful. I love it. I love the rose gold. I love the pop of blue. I think it is just adorable. I love the little star. And I love this logo, or this saying that is on this bag. I absolutely love it. And off she went to change the world. I think that is just perfect, especially for Women's Month. You know what I mean? Go girls, go us, go. Yeah. So the first thing that I got, and y'all I think y'all already know this. Yeah, I did an unpacking. Yeah, y'all already know about this. And I'm not sure. I think a lot of people got it, but I'm not exactly sure. But I am one that did get it. It is the full-size Ofra highlighter. Though this is in Star Island. And I'm pretty sure Star Island is the only shade that did go out. Now this, I absolutely love highlighters. I'm a highlighter junkie. But I do love the highlighter. Now, I hate to say this because I am such a big highlighter buff. I think this is more like overhyped. And I hate saying that because I love the highlighter. It is absolutely gorgeous. But it just didn't give me that wow factor. Like, you know, I've had better. And I hate to say that. You know what I mean? I've had better, but I do love the highlighter. Perfect shade. It's really soft and buttery. And of course, you know, she's going to give you that pop. So I do love it. It is very buildable. So, you know, they don't look like it's putting powder straight onto your face. I just do feel like it has been a little bit overhyped because there wasn't nothing that really jumped out like, wow, oh my God, this is the best highlighter in my life. But other than that, guys, I do love the highlighter. Now, the next thing that I got in my bag was this little Tarte mascara. It is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. There is something about this that I didn't like. And I hate saying that. One of my subscribers actually sent me a Tarte Man Eater Mascara. And I feel like this... It feels like the formula is different, and I don't know why. I don't know why. It's just, you know, some people like the clumpy spider leg look. I like for it to coat my lashes, but I don't really like the chunky look. This one doesn't do that, and this is the full-size one, and this one does. So I'm not really sure if I got one that was bad or what, but I will show you right here. Like, you could tell that there is hardly anything on that brush. And then you pull this one out and you can see how much formula is on there. Now, there's not a difference in the brush itself, so it's got to be the formula. And it looks like the smaller one would be the better of the two because, you know, if somebody's wanting to try samples of something to see if they want to get the bigger size, it looks like it would make this one better than this one. But, guys, I'm loving the full size, but I don't like this one, so I don't know what to say about that. I don't know if I got a bad one or what. The next thing that I got in the brush was one of the SL Miss Glam brushes. Now, this is the short shader brush. Now, brushes I absolutely love, and I do love these SL Miss Glam brushes. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. I probably am. But I love that they put so much detail into the brush. Like, there's always like 2 little stones here. And the handles are always absolutely gorgeous and glittery and sparkly. And just something that pulls me in anyways. But I always love getting brushes. And I haven't got a bad one from Ipsy yet. So this one is no different. And I used it today. That's why it's dirty. But this is perfect for going on that lower lash line. I absolutely love it. The next thing that I got was the Real Her liquid lipstick, and this is I Am Adaptable, I do believe. Yeah, it is I Am Adaptable. Now, this is a red shade, and it is one of those...
Stop my light right now.
Sorry, guys. That light's probably going to be coming on and off. I don't know why it's been doing that. Now, looking at it, and it is like one of those perfect shades of red for me. I do love these orangey reds like this. But the formula is just way too drying. It dried up, it cracked up on my lips, and it was just, the formula is kind of shit, guys. The formula is crap. I'm not going to lie to you. The color's beautiful, so if the formula matched the shade, it would absolutely work for me, but I'm going to have to pass on this one, guys. I just went ahead and turned that light off, so it's probably even worse in here. Last thing that I got with my actual Ipsy bag is the Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Conditioner. I love hair products. Now, like I said, I'm more of a makeup buff, so, you know, every once in a while getting a hair product in an Ipsy bag isn't too bad. I don't mind it. You know, I could always use some leave-in conditioners. This one smells wonderful, and it did make my hair really soft and silky. But again, guys, there was not that, like, wow factor in this that made anything jump out at me. But I did like it. It did work, so. But like I said, it wasn't like, oh my God, I gotta have this leave-in conditioner. Okay, now the sixth item, and this is something that I got with my Ipsy points, and I do have another one of these. It is one of the Dolce? I don't know how to say that. I probably butchered that. I'm so sorry, guys. This is one of their blushes. Now, I do have another blush that I got by them, and I absolutely loved that blush. I pretty much went up in smoke over in the house, but so I did want to replace it because I did use that blush all the time, and I think it was the RVSP. I think that was the name of that blush. This one is in the shade Time Bomb, and it's almost the same exact color as the one that I did lose. It's a natural blush. There is just such a small amount of shimmer in this. It's not even worth bringing up, but it does give you like that inside glow. So just know it's not really exactly matte, but it does give you that like glow from within. It's just a beautiful, it makes your skin looks like it's just shining in the sun. I absolutely love it, and I love the natural color of it, so I love the blush. That is it for my Ipsy review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said, for those of you that like to keep up with my life and keep up with my update videos and everything, stick around. For those of you that are just here for the spoilers, I'm not mad at you. I love y'all too, because y'all are still part of the family. So anyways, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Alright, guys. So I do want to show you a few products that I'm absolutely loving while I'm giving you an update. You know, and I want to bring up these products because they really did surprise me. Some of these products you guys sent to me, and like I said, I can't thank you guys enough for the ones that did help, the ones that have donated. You know, you guys will forever be in my hearts, and I can never quit saying that. I'll never quit saying that, because you guys have done so much for me. And even the ones that haven't been able to donate or anything, guys, you guys are also helping out in just such a huge way just by doing that, just by supporting my channel, guys. So I do love you guys. First, one of my subscribers, now I'm not going to say any names because I'm not sure if they want their names brought up or anything, so I'm not going to say that, but you know who you are, and I love you guys. Somebody sent me this L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Almond and Protein. Now, this is also a leave-in conditioner. Now, this is one that's got that wow factor. It gave me shine, it gave me bounce also, and it made my hair so soft and shiny, and I absolutely love the smell of this. This one I like it better than the one I got in my Ipsy bag. So, you know who you are. Thank you so much. For another thing, somebody also sent me this, and I know this was in my favorites video. I did want to show you. It is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This, like, absolutely made it just blurred my pores. I absolutely love it. And again, thank you. Another item, you know exactly who you are. Sent me this Juvia's Place palette, and oh my God, guys, if y'all have not seen this palette, this is the first time I've tried Juvia's Place. Now, there was a couple of y'all that sent me a couple of the little mini-sized green ones, and those, oh my God, I love them too. This is the first big one that I've had, and like I said, that was the first time ever trying these palettes, and I've been wanting to try them so bad because I've seen them everywhere online. This is so gorgeous, guys, and again, thank you so much. Another thing is something that I picked up at the dollar store, and this is actually a cream blush. I've never heard of this company, but it really did surprise me. I'll pull up swatches and show y'all what it looks like. These are cream blushes again, and my skin's very dry, so these really do make a difference using them on dry skin. I'll show y'all swatches, but this is a company called BYS. I've never heard of them, but I think I only paid like, it might have been $1.50 or $2 or $3. I'm not sure. I'll try to look it up and put it up on the screen, but that was a really good product. Anyways, guys, to update y'all, yes, I did. I have a home, and I cannot wait to vlog and show you guys. I'm going to bring you guys with me to clean it. I'm going to bring you guys while I'm moving and everything. I want y'all to be a part of everything going on with that. Like I said, y'all have helped me out so much. I'm hoping to be in there within the next couple of weeks. I'm trying to get the lights on, and they're asking me for a deposit, so I've got to. It was a little bit more than I expected, so I'm trying to save up. But as soon as I get that done, I will be moving in. I'm hoping it's not going to take me too long to do it. I'm hoping maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks at the most. You know, I just love to be in there right now. I mean, the closer it gets to us moving, the more excited, nervous, anxious, and everything, all my emotions tied up in one, because like I said, I'm a person that does not like change. I hate it. Can't stand it. But I am very excited to get there, guys, because it is a beautiful house. It's got this double-sided fireplace. It's just gorgeous. I couldn't have picked a better place myself. Like I said, it's not the same place that I was going to get because of all that stuff that went down on that, but I just can see it being a home, and I can't wait to get there. I can't wait to get my family in there and just spend time in the house and break the house in, and, you know, holidays and just dinner. Every night dinner, you know. It's simple things like that, you know. Watching videos with my boys, I just can't, you know, like, they'll have their own room again. It's really heartfelt, and I cannot wait to see them happen. There I go again. I'm getting mushy again, I swear. I just can't wait to see that, because they have, like I said, we've all been in this tiny room all together for a while now, since New Year's, and I just cannot wait to see them in their own rooms. You know, they're teenage boys. You know, they deserve their privacy. But there's just so many things that I'm thinking, like, oh my God, I can't wait. You know, every night at dinner, I know I get to spend time with them, and I won't feel like I'm stepping on anybody's toes or being anybody's way. And it's just little things that I think about and I dream about. So it's just so exciting getting to be there. So hopefully it won't take long, guys. So I'm excited to show you. Anyways, I'm rambling. There is another thing I want to mention. There was a couple of you, and again, I don't know if y'all want me to name names or not, so I'm not going to. There's a couple of y'all that nominated me for a giveaway that was held with a beauty box. I'm not going to say the name of the beauty box. I want y'all to be surprised, because I am going to unbox it here with you guys as soon as I get it. So I do want to do that unboxing with you guys. I'm not even going to touch it until I film it. So I promise you, and I know you guys that know me, those of you that have been with me a while, y'all know I'm impatient, and I'm always ripping into my boxes, and then I'll film it. This time I'm going to wait. I'm not going to touch it until I film it. I want you guys to be a part of that with me. But a couple of you nominated me for that box, and I did win. And I'm so excited for you to see which box it is, and I can't wait to see what we get, guys. But anyways, that's enough of me rambling around, and I just wanted to give y'all some updates and talk to you that are close to me. And tell you guys how much I appreciate you, and I love you, and I think about y'all every single day. And I can't thank you enough, and I'm so proud to have you as my online family. You guys are my best friends. Always and forever. Always. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. And SL, sorry guys, that light's probably gonna be, guys, I did want to